Hey guys.
Guys.
It's my birthday.
Birthday.
Yeah, really happy birthday.
Wish you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Good morning, guys. So today is Kaylee's birthday. She is 2 years old. My little baby is already 2 years old. So Jose and I had something planned for her to come wake her up in the morning and give her some balloons and a few other stuff, but she beat us to it and she woke up before we did. So I just went ahead, cleaned up her room and made her bed, and now we're going to set everything up and just have her walk in here and see her little surprise. So yeah, let's go do that and then we'll get her to come in here and get her reaction. Okay, so this has been something that we actually did for her birthday last year, and we wanted to keep the tradition going of putting some balloons in her room. And I think I'm going to use these little blocks of hers to put as weights so that they're at different levels and not just all going up to the ceiling. So yeah, I'll do that right now. By the way, she's over there in the living room with Jose, so I'm trying to be quiet so she doesn't hear and come over. In here with me, but I finished decorating here for Kaylee, and we're about to go get her so she can see her little birthday surprise. Let's go grab Kaylee. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kaylee!
Kaylee, ¿quieres ir a ver algo? ¿Quieres ver un surprise? Vamos a tu room. Vamos a tu cuarto.
¿Estás ready?
Happy birthday, Kaylee.
¿La abro? Ábrela. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, princesa.
¿La agarro yo? Wow.
¿Te gustan los balloons? Yeah. Agárralo, ¿ya viste estos regalos? ¿Dónde están? Oh. Oh, babe, thank you, puppy. Yes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Kaylee. Happy birthday to you. Kaylee, que le sople. Que le sople. Que le sople. Que le sople. ¡Córrele, mami!
Ponle.
Yo le soplo.
Yo le soplo. Mira, mira.
Oh, oh.
Sóplale. Kaylee. Mira, sóplale. Sóplale.
Está muy elevada con los balloons.
¿No lo vas a soplar? No. Yo lo soplo. ¿Ya?
Oh, look, papi compró algo. Salud, mi amor.
Mira. Flores para Kaylee.
Wow.
Come, I told you.
Son 2, igual que tu birthday, mami. ¿Cumples cuántos años?
2? Yo los agarro. Wow.
Wow, Kaylee.
Yeah.
¿Qué son? Flowers.
See?
Yeah.
Flower. Mira, otro surprise.
Otro surprise.
¿Qué? ¿Es ropa de Butterbean?
¿Te quieres vestir? Thank you. A ver. Thank you.
A ver. Dame la flor esa. Mira, agarra. Te la ponemos.
Kaylee, are we going to eat donuts for your birthday? Sí, mira, ¿qué es allá? ¿Qué hay ahí? Sí, hay donuts. Yeah.
Kaylee, ¿quieres tus lentes?
Aiden.
¿Sí?
Okay, let's go get donuts. Look at your shoe, girl.
Pink.
You want a pink donut? ¿Con sprinkles? Sí, ¿qué más?
Mami,
¿Eh?
¿qué?
Yeah.
Preparaban cada vez.
Kaylee, ¿dónde está tu donut? ¿Dónde?
Todos esos son tuyos.
Mami, no.
Sí, ahorita te la abro. Look, Kaylee. ¿Qué es? Your cake. Vamos a terminar de arreglarlo, ¿ok? Le vamos a poner algo special, ¿ok? Le vamos a hacer el fairy finish. Okay, so it is now 2 o'clock and my parents, Jose's parents, and our family, like sisters and brothers, are coming over to celebrate Kaylee just for a little party because Aiden is only 1 week old, so we did not want to have a big party and have just a lot of people around him, you know, for sicknesses and stuff like that. So we're just having a little get together here at the house, and I'm about to get Kaylee's birthday cake ready. We bought one and this is what it looks like. So just a store-bought cake this time around. I didn't get a chance to make it. So it's just pink and blue, and I'm going to open this pack since she is obsessed with Butterbean right now and put these little figurines on the top of the cake. So I'm about to get that ready, and then we're going to cut up some fruit to have for later and then decorate a little bit before everybody gets here. So yeah, that's what we're doing now, and I'll see you guys a little bit later.
I can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me in bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. Set up feet. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time. So put your
Uh-oh. Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Wow, Kaylee.
Espérate, eso no puedes agarrar ahorita, mamá. Beb, ¿estás? Ponle que encuentro así de los no should try to grab.
Sí, no sé, no.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side. It makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me
Kailey. ¡Ay!
¿Quién es, Kailey?
Vas a morder y la vas a soplar, ¿ok?
Bueno, sí, la parte de
You made it?
I fixed the top.
Kailey.
Atropello.
Aquí está. Behind the scenes.
¿Quién es Kailey?
Okay, no vas a cantar, ¿ok? Ahora sí. Happy birthday to you.
Ay, Butterbean. Can you hold me?
Que le sople.
Agarra nomás uno y sóplale, mi amor.
Que le sople.
Sóplale. Ya no la cantes, ya no la cantes. Sóplale.
Sóplale.
Sí, a ver. Sóplale. Sóplale, sí. Sóplale a ella también. Ahorita, no se quema, Marlene.
Apágala porque se que me vaya a ayudar. Yo te ayudo.
I would laugh. No.
Ya lo soltamos.
I didn't call me. Se lo va a comer.
Okay. ¿Lo quieres cortar? Okay, ya se acabó. I was like, this one, like, this is the same thing. Unless she's gonna cry.
Yeah, okay, you're the Butterbean.
Una bolita junto. Action.
Ah, yo quiero.
¿Le va a morder o algo? ¿Lo quieres cortar, Kailey?
Sí.
¿Quién es, Kailey?
¿Cómo
se llama la monita?
Bravo,
Yo quiero. Kailey. Kailey.
Todo lo técnico que voy a hacer por aquí, todo lo voy a hacer. No lo voy a echar acá, pero no se cerca. Nos quitamos todo. ¿Qué es eso?
¿Quién es?
¿Quién es? ¿Quién es? ¿Sí?
No lo miró.
Igual a ti.
Sí, Kaylee. Wow. Kaylee, thank you. Uh-oh. Otro baby. Open.
Wow.
Open. Ahorita open. Wow. Una pijama para que se duerma.
Un baby también allí, sí.
Dámelo.
Acá.
Ahí es.
Sí, síguele pues, síguele.
Wow, paper.
Yeah.
Ahorita la abrimos, Tracy. Aquí hay más cosas, fíjate.
Kaylee, kiss.
¿Qué es? ¡Ay! Mira, de verdad, de verdad.
Sí, mira, poquito, no saca tantos mil, pero dice que se
Wow, otro.
seguro.
Sí, wow.
So that was it for Kaylee's birthday party. Everyone went home and now we're going to clean up this mess. Kaylee is watching some Butterbean, right Kaylee? She's watching some Butterbean over there while Jose and I get ready to clean this, all of this. So thank you all for watching and we will see y'all in the next one. Diles bye, mommy. Diles say bye.